Hi everyone, here we've got Alcatel U5 HD, and let me share with you how to reset all digital rights management on this device. So firstly, let's enter the settings, and now we have to scroll down in order to find proper options which are in the backup and reset. So let's tap on it. And as you can see right here, we've got DRM reset. So all you have to do is simply tap on it. Now let's tap on this option again, and your device is asking you if you really want to do it and if you really want to delete all the licenses on this device. So let's tap on OK if you are ready, and as you can see, the licenses have been deleted successfully. So actually that's all. This is how to remove digital rights management in your Alcatel U5 HD. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.